So fast forward, you and I got on a call after the writers conference. And one of the questions that people ask me a whole lot is what's going to happen if we get on a call? What's that going to look like? What was your experience? What happened on that call that you and I had, Paul?
Yeah. So a few things actually really kind of struck me, right? Is I really got the sense that if I'm going to do this, I better be ready to do it. Like mindset, I think, is a huge thing, because you pretty much just laid it out that, we're going to get you to finish your novel in, and I think you said 4 weeks. And I think I laughed. I had a goal to finish by the end of the year, which I felt was attainable. And you said 4 weeks. And, the little boy in me said, I wanted to believe. It's kind of like Santa Claus, right? It's like, okay, I want to believe I can do it. But at the same time, it was a very, and, you talk about in your presentations and in the virtual room that we met in at the conference that, this is an investment. And so I knew right away that this is something that I needed to take seriously, which I think really helped put me in the right mindset.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.